Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning my students. How are you? Selamat pagi anak-anak. Bagaimana kabar kalian? I hope all of you always in a great condition and happy situation. Welcome back again with me. It's time for learning English and studying English. It's like usually, seperti biasanya. Before we continue to the next lesson, I will remember you with our last lesson. In our last video, we have studied together about simple future will and prohibition. Did you still remember that? Okay, I hope you still remember that. And then today we are going to continue our lesson, that is lesson 3, and the topic is talking about there is or there are. Who are you and what are you going to do here? I want to join to your class. You sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, you may join to this class, but you have to obey to the rules. What are the rules? You have to pay attention while Mr. Fuad is explaining. Then you have to be a good listener, and then you have to be a good student. Okay. Now students, let's check it out, the explanation.
Okay my students, like I said last time that this is time for explanation, and then I hope you are focused and pay attention to my explanation in order that you understand what I explain to you. Sekarang kita akan belajar ya. We are going to study together about lesson 3. There is or there are. Last week I studied about, minggu lalu kita belajar tentang apa? Ya, ini dia. Kalau kalian masih ingat gambar ini, masih ingat pelajaran juga ya. Simple future and prohibition. Masih ingat ya? Before we continue to the next lesson, sebelum kita lanjutkan ke pelajaran selanjutnya, I would like to remember you. Saya mau mengingatkan kalian about our lesson last week, tentang pelajaran kita minggu lalu. Last week we studied and learned together about simple future will and prohibition. Ya, I hope you still remember that. So we can continue to the next lesson, that is lesson 3. Ingat ya, simple future will artinya identik dengan setelah will itu pasti verb bear ya, atau kata kerja asli. Tidak ada tambahan s, tidak ada tambahan ed, tidak ada tambahan ing. Pokoknya kata kerjanya asli. Ya. Kemudian prohibition. Prohibition larangan. Kemarin kita bisa menggunakan may not, cannot, atau not supposed to. Ya. Kalian harus ingat itu. Nah, in lesson 3 we will study together about, di pelajaran 3 ini kita akan belajar tentang asking and giving things ya. And then using there is and there are, using do you have any, and I'm looking for. There is and there are. Apa sih artinya there is and there are? There is dan there are artinya ada ya. Lalu bagaimana menggunakannya? There is or there are. Use there is for singular nouns. Gunakanlah there is untuk benda tunggal. Ingat, benda tunggal berarti bendanya cuma satu. For example, there is a spider on the wall. Biasanya untuk menunjukkan dia tunggal, dia ditandai dengan artikel a atau an. Kemudian number 2, use there is for uncountable items atau uncountable nouns. Gunakan juga there is untuk benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Contoh, there is milk on the floor. And then number 3, use there are for plural nouns. Kebalikan dari ini ya. Plural it mean more than one ya. It means more than one. In English, more than one called with plural. Lebih dari satu dalam bahasa Inggris dinamakan plural atau jamak. Contoh, there are pencils on my desk. Ya, ada pensil-pensil di atas mejaku atau bangkuku. Ya. Kemudian pattern, polanya, bagaimana polanya, Mister? Nah, ketika dia positif, ingat ya tanda-tanda ini kalian harus ingat dan familiar dengan tanda-tanda ini. Positif, patternnya adalah there plus is or are plus object. For example, there is a book on the shelf. Negatif, there isn't atau aren't plus object. There aren't books on the shelf. Kemudian interrogatif atau kalimat tanya. Is atau are-nya di depan, kemudian there, baru object, dan diikuti ingat tanda tanya atau question mark. Is there a restaurant in the shopping mall? Apakah ada restoran di mall, di tempat perbelanjaan? Ya. Nah, ini adalah patternnya, polanya. Sama dengan pola-pola sebelumnya ya, yang kita pelajari baik simple future, ketika positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. Polanya hampir sama ketika perubahan-perubahannya ya. Oke, kita lanjutkan. Nah, di sini ada latihan untuk writing ya. There is, write there is or there are in the boxes below. Tulislah there is atau there are di kotak di bawah ini. For example number 1, kita isi bersama ya. Ada kata-kata 5 pens, singular or plural? Plural. Berarti jawabannya adalah there are. A car in the garage, sebuah mobil di garasi. Berarti there is or there are? There is. Some books on the table. There are. A telephone in the bedroom. There is. 2 tables in the kitchen. There are. Many birds. There are. A magazine. There is. 4 chairs. There are. 7 days. There are. And then a drink in the fridge. There is. Pokoknya kalau bendanya itu tunggal maka there is. Bendanya lebih dari satu maka there are. It's easy for you. Nah, selanjutnya di sini ada bacaan, nanti kalian bisa baca ya. Mister bacakan, nanti kalian baca sendiri di rumah ya. Perhatikan cara membacanya. The city mall. My city has a new mall. Kotaku mempunyai mall baru. It is in the downtown area. The mall has 250 tenants. The tenants provide fashion, food, and entertainment. Many people in the city like to go weekend in the mall because the mall provide cinema, game center, and a bowling arena. We could buy clothes, jewelry, and accessories in the department store inside the mall. We can have a haircut in some barber shops or hairdressers in the mall. The mall also has a food court. If we are hungry, we can have lunch or dinner there. Beside bowling arena, there are also billiard arena and futsal fields. Nah, dari bacaan ini kalian pilih jawabannya ya. To have a haircut, bowling arena, barber shop apa department store? Barber shop dari teks ini. Oke. Tapi tidak usah dikumpulkan ya. Nanti kalau sudah bisa bertatap muka, Mister akan cek keaktifan kalian dalam mengikuti pelajaran secara daring ini. Next, ini ada dialog tentang do you have any and then I'm looking for. Nanti akan dipraktekkan, will be practiced by Mr. Fuad and his friend. Ya, kalau do you have any itu artinya apa? Apakah kamu mempunyai? I'm looking for artinya saya mencari. Di sini juga ada mini dictionary yang kalian bisa hafalkan ya. Oke, that's about explanation. Let's be back to Mr. Fuad. Thank you.
How about the explanation, my student? Do you understand? It's like the previous slide said that I will practice the dialogue with him about do you have any and then I'm looking for. He will be a seller and me as a buyer. I'm looking for a raincoat. Do you have any raincoat? Sorry, we don't have any raincoat. Well, are there any jackets? Yes, there are jackets over there. How much is this jacket? It's 100,000 rupiah. Itu adalah dialog atau percakapan yang mempraktekkan menggunakan ekspresi do you have any and I'm looking for. Saya harap kalian paham dengan penjelasan yang pertama, yaitu there is atau there are, dan yang terakhir adalah do you have any and I'm looking for. See you again to the next lesson and the next video. Always keep spirit to study English with me. And then the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.